How can I retrieve my W-2 form from ADP?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to walk through how to retrieve your W-2 form from ADP. We'll be breaking down the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access your important tax documents. Remember, your W-2 form is crucial for filing your taxes as it contains information about your wages and taxes withheld.
What is a W-2 form?
Before we dive in, let's quickly review what a W-2 form is. Your W-2 form is a statement prepared by your employer that outlines your annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from your paycheck. This form is vital for preparing your tax return.
What is ADP?
Now that we've covered what a W-2 is, let's talk about ADP. ADP, or Automatic Data Processing, is a company that provides payroll services to businesses. If your employer uses ADP, they likely use it to issue your paychecks and W-2 forms.
How to access ADP?
To retrieve your W-2 form from ADP, you first need to access the ADP portal. 1. Open your preferred web browser and type in the ADP portal address provided by your employer. 2. After arriving at the portal, enter your user credentials, typically your username and password. 3. If you do not have an account, you may need to register. This will usually involve providing some personal information and setting up your user credentials. Note, always keep your login information secure.
How to retrieve W-2 form from ADP?
Once you're logged in, getting your W-2 form is relatively straightforward. 1. After logging into your account, look for a tab or section called Pay and Taxes or something similar. 2. Within this tab, there should be an option to view your W-2 forms. 3. Select the relevant tax year to view your W-2 for that year. Note, if you can't find your W-2 form or if it's not available yet, contact your employer. They are responsible for ensuring that you have access to your W-2 form. There you have it, a simple guide to retrieving your W-2 form from ADP. Remember, understanding and accessing your tax documents is a crucial part of managing your finances. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this.